guys, welcome to our channel, FoneLab. Capturing the screen on a Mac is convenient. It allows you to take screenshots or record your screen for various purposes, such as documentation, tutorials, or sharing information. There are several ways to capture the screen on a Mac, and we will show you how to do it, so stay tuned. Let's begin to screen capture on Mac with shortcuts. One of the main controllers of a Mac is its keyboard. Therefore, we can use it to screen capture on a Mac. All you need to do is press Shift, Command, and number 3 simultaneously. Then you will hear the captured sound and see the thumbnail at the bottom part of the tool, indicating that the command is successful. If you want to capture only a portion of the screen, press Shift+Command+4. With that, you will see the crosshair icon. Just tick and drag it on the part of the screen you want to capture. Lastly, if you're going to capture a window or menu on Mac, press Shift, Command, number 4 and Space Bar, and that's it. For the second method, we have QuickTime Player. It is a built-in media player that is purposely used to watch movies and edit videos. Hence, it can help you screen capture on a Mac. To do this, search and locate the tool through Launchpad. Afterward, you will not see anything on the screen that will pop up, only the menu bar will change. Please tick the File button at the top. A drop-down option will appear. Select the new screen recording button, and then the tool QuickTime Player will appear on the screen. Your Mac will let you see the preview of the screenshot. Using the preview feature, please click its icon on the Mac dock to see it. Close the screenshot, and the preview tool will show you the confirmation dialog. Aside from the built-in tools mentioned, a third-party tool is recommended. Try Mac FoneLab Screen Recorder. Although this software is designed for Mac screen capture video, you can use its screen capture feature to take screenshots on Mac. Furthermore, once it screenshots the Mac screen, it will capture them in high quality. On the interface, click the Screen Capture button on the right of the main interface. Later, use the cursor of your Mac to select the portion of the screen you want to capture. Please release the cursor to capture the screen. Options will appear afterward. Please click the Save icon. Then the tool's confirmation dialog will appear. Please rename the screenshot and click the Save button to keep the screenshot on your device. Learning different ways to screen capture on a Mac is good, and built-in tools are convenient. However, if you want high-quality screen captures of your Mac, use FoneLab Mac Screen Recorder. For more helpful videos, visit our channel, FoneLab. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.